Are you tired of waking up at night with painful leg cramps or struggling with muscle stiffness during the day? The good news is that the right foods can help relax muscles, improve circulation, and prevent these uncomfortable cramps. In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 superfoods that help seniors reduce cramps, strengthen muscles, and boost mobility. Stick around. You won't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. 1. Egg, a complete nutrient powerhouse. Eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of nutrition, especially for muscle health in seniors. Why eggs help prevent leg cramps? Rich in protein. One egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein, which supports muscle repair and reduces fatigue, a major cause of cramps. Vitamin D for muscle function. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and supports healthy muscle contraction. Seniors with low vitamin D often experience more cramps and weakness. Egg yolks contain natural vitamin D. B12 and nerve health. Eggs are a good source of B12, which helps protect nerves and ensures proper communication between nerves and muscles, reducing cramps caused by neuropathy. Choline for nerve insulation. Alongside B12, choline in eggs supports nerve insulation and function. How to get the most benefit? Eat 6 to 7 eggs per week, which research shows is safe for most seniors. Combine eggs with vitamin D-rich foods, like fortified dairy or salmon. Those with high cholesterol can opt for egg whites, and those with kidney issues should consult a doctor. Eating eggs regularly helps reduce nocturnal cramps, supports muscle and nerve recovery, and provides a wide array of essential nutrients for seniors. 2. Bananas, the potassium-rich cramp fighter. Bananas are a natural solution to cramps thanks to their powerful combination of potassium, magnesium, and hydration-support nutrients. Why bananas help prevent leg cramps? High in potassium. Each banana has around 420 milligrams of potassium, crucial for muscle contractions and fluid balance. Low potassium, hypokalemia, can lead to spasms and cramps. Magnesium for muscle relaxation. Bananas provide magnesium, which prevents muscle tightness and supports calcium-potassium balance in muscles. Vitamin B6 for nerve and muscle support. B6 aids in neurotransmitter regulation, reducing inflammation and helping muscles recover faster. Benefits of eating bananas. Restore electrolyte levels after sweating or medication side effects, e.g., diuretics. Improve nerve signal communication, reducing cramps and spasms. Support hydration and help prevent nighttime cramps when eaten before bed. Recommended intake. 1 banana per day is usually enough. 2 per day may be helpful for those with frequent cramps. Seniors with diabetes should pair bananas with fiber-rich foods like oats or nuts to prevent blood sugar spikes. Drinking enough water, 6 to 8 glasses per day, and consuming bananas with water or coconut water improves hydration and electrolyte balance, further reducing cramps. 3. Nuts and seeds, small snacks with big benefits. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense and offer a powerful combination of minerals, healthy fats, and proteins that support muscle function and recovery. Why nuts and seeds help prevent leg cramps? Magnesium-rich. Deficiency in magnesium is common among seniors and linked to cramping. Nuts like pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams per oz, almonds, 77 milligrams per oz, and cashews, 74 milligrams per oz, help restore levels. Potassium boost, pistachios, 290 milligrams per oz, almonds, 200 milligrams per oz, and cashews, 160 milligrams per oz, provide potassium essential for muscle recovery. Healthy fats improve circulation. Omega-3s in walnuts and flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve blood flow, preventing cramps. Anti-inflammatory and recovery benefits. Contain antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation and oxidative stress. Help with post-exercise recovery and support relaxed muscle function. Reduce chronic pain and stiffness, especially in those with arthritis. How to eat them. A small handful, 1 ounce, of nuts daily is enough. Sprinkle seeds like flax, chia, or pumpkin onto meals. Eat with meals to support nutrient absorption, before bed to reduce night cramps, or after exercise to replace lost minerals. Things to keep in mind. While these foods offer great benefits, here are a few tips for seniors. Portion control is key. Nuts are calorie-dense. Choose unsalted, raw, or dry-roasted nuts to avoid excess sodium. Seniors with allergies or digestive issues should consider alternatives. If dealing with kidney disease or heart conditions, consult your doctor before increasing protein or fat intake. Final thoughts. If you're over 50 and struggling with frequent leg cramps, the right dietary changes can make a world of difference. Incorporating eggs, bananas, and nuts/seeds into your daily routine can help. White heavy checkmark improve muscle strength. White heavy checkmark reduce nighttime cramps. White heavy checkmark support nerve and circulation health. White heavy checkmark promote faster recovery after activity. Just remember, consistency is key. Combine these foods with adequate water intake, physical activity, and a balanced diet to get the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more health tips from Health BS. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.